right, today is Monday, May the 22nd. I just got here to the Sprouts Farmers Market. I'm gonna wait around here for 20 minutes, see if a batch comes up, and hopefully it'll be a good one. Let's see. All right, it is 5:12. I've been waiting here for 2 minutes. I just got a batch for 15 items, $21. All right, that order is delivered. It is 5:42. I'm at 21:14. We'll just drive around the area. Might go back to Sprouts. Wait till we get another batch, decent batch. We'll get back to the grind. All right, it didn't take too long to wait. It's 5:51. I just took a $39 batch at Ralph's for 31 items. Okay, it is 6:24. That order is shopped. The delivery address is 1 mile away. Let's get down there. All right, that order is delivered. It is 6:30 right now. I'm at $60.73. I'm gonna head over to the Ralph's. I just missed a $44 batch at Pavilions. That would have been the perfect night. It happens though, that's the name of the game. All right, well, I missed that $44 one, but fortunately I got a $46 order with 37 items at the Vons in downtown Long Beach. Let's get down there. All right, I just got here to the Vons. It's 7 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this order. All right, that order was shopped. Took a little long because they were having problems at the cash checkout, but it took me like 17 minutes to shop the order. It is 7:40 right now. It's gonna take 5 minutes to get to the delivery address. Let's go.
Hello?
Yes, hello, this is Elton with Instacart. I'm here in front of your building right now. All right, that order is delivered. Turned out pretty easy. It is 7:49 right now. I'm at $110.50. I had a couple of replacements on that order. It was really good that the customer responded to me back and I let her know when I delivered the groceries. That was appreciated that she was communicating with me. All right, I just took another $23 batch for 7 items at Ralph's. All right, I shopped that order. I'm on my way to deliver it right now. It's gonna be a 5-minute drive, so let's get down there. All right, those groceries are delivered. It is 8:24 p.m. right now. I'm at $131.49. So I'm gonna try to go back to the Ralph's over there on 4th Street, and I'm gonna try to see if I could get another batch. All right, I just took another batch for $20. Delivery to downtown Long Beach, about 3.5 miles away. It's 29 items. So it's not that good of a batch, but I figured it's on my way home and I'm done for the night after this one. So let's get down to the store. All right, it's 8:58. Just finished up shopping that batch. The delivery address is 11 minutes away. Let's get down there. All right, I'm here at the delivery address. Let's get these groceries delivered. All right, the order is delivered. I had a little bit of an issue there. I scanned her ID, and when I went to go complete the order, it said I didn't scan her ID, so I had to call her back and scan her ID again. So sometimes things like that happen. So Yeah, the order is delivered. I'm done for the night. It's 9:15. I'm at $152.05. If you could just help me out with the YouTube algorithm and like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Have a good night.